Yes, students, will continue the discussion of the exercise part. Okay. Yes, so we are discussing the third exercise related to median concept. But if it is a median concept, also we are solving all the methods now, main, median, more. So we are revising the topics from this exercise. Okay. So now, just now we have finished the first problem of this third exercise. Let us discuss the second exercise now. See here, second exercise is like this. If the median of distribution given, okay, below is 28.5, find values of x and y. Already median is given in this data, that is 28.5. So we have to find out the missing frequency, that is x and y here. Class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and frequency 5, x 20, 15, y 5. So total is 60. Here what is given actually, this is like example problem. In the example what we have discussed, so total frequency is 60. So we have worked out this type of problem right now. So now again, so revision part for that. So what we to do, same to same. Median concept in the sense we have to find out the cumulative frequency first. Median is already given. Okay, class interval and frequency. Cumulative frequency we have to work out. Addition of the frequency. Cumulative frequency. First 5, then 5 plus x, then 5 plus x plus 20, that is 25 plus x. Then 25 plus x plus 15, that is 40 plus x. 40 plus x plus y, that is 40 plus x plus y only. 40 plus x plus y plus 5, then 45 plus x plus 1. This is actually cumulative frequency column. N is already given. N is total number of observations, that is frequency column, that is 60. Okay, so n is 60, total is 60. So what we can observe from this one? When we add this frequency column, total 60 is given in the problem only. But when we add this one frequency column, 5 plus x plus 20 plus 15 plus 5. So just add this one, 20 plus 5 is 25. 25 plus 5 is 15 is 40. 40 plus 5 is 45. 45 plus x plus y. You can observe this cumulative frequency last one. N is nothing but sum of the frequencies, that is 45 plus x plus y, which is equal to total we know that one, that is 60. Then x plus y is equal to 60. When we transfer this 45 this side, minus 45, 60 minus 45. Then x plus 5 is equal to x plus y is equal to 15. You just keep this 15 safely. Okay, last we have to use, no. Then median is given already, 28.5. Median is given that 28.5. Then we have to find out the median class. Already median is given. Then median class. How to find out the median class? Median is 28.5. Where is that 28.5? Here, no, actually 20 to 30 range. You will get class interval as 20 to 30 because 28.5 median covers in this class interval. So this is the median class, no? So median class is 20 to 30. So let us mark the median class now. This is the median class. Got the idea of this one, students? Already median is given, then where we have to search the median class? Just we have to observe the class interval 28.5. So 28.5 comes here 20 to 30. So median class is 20 to 30. So then CF, cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency in the sense preceding the median class. Here, median class is 20 to 30 in the sense preceding median class is this 5 plus x. This is CF. Then F is actually the frequency of the median class, that is 20. Okay. CF is 5 plus x. F is 20. L is 20. Then H is equal to 10. Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. That is L is 20 plus N by 2 is 30 minus CF. While substituting CF, you have to be very careful because CF is 5 plus X here. So bracket is compulsory. So here we have skipped one step actually. 5 plus x, when we remove the bracket, minus 5 minus x divided by f is 20 into h. Then 20 plus 25 minus x divided by 2. So the answer is 40 plus 25 minus x divided by 2, that is 65 minus x divided by 2. So here we got the step as 65 minus x divided by 2. So next step is, where is that page? 1 second student, one page is missing there. That page is missing. We'll work out that one. No problem. While downloading, Akshay missed that page. Our Akshay is there now. We are discussing second problem, right? This one only, no? Yeah, that one page is missing.
Mataji, that page is in the last.
Last, okay, Anvi, thank you. This one, Akshay, Anvit? Here. Yes, correct. Thank you so much, Anvit. Okay, next step. Median is already given now. Median we have to substitute as 28.5 here. One second. 65 minus x divided by 2. Actually, what is this 65 minus x divided by 2? So just now we got now actually in the median formula 65 minus x divided by 2, median is equal to this step we got is 65 minus x divided by 2. Now just cross multiply this 2 into 28.5, that is 57.5. Here 65 minus x, that is minus 8 is equal to x, x is equal to 8. X is equal to 8 we got. In the beginning we got one step no, while adding the sum of the frequencies x plus 5 y is equal to 15. So in that equation we have to substitute this x value. X is equal to 8, that is 8 plus y is equal to 15, that is y is equal to 15 minus 8, which is equal to 7. So this is same to same problem of example problem. Clear no? Yes. Now third problem. A life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age if policies are given only to persons having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. So now the data, just observe the data. Data is in the form of less than form. Less than 20, below 20, below 25, below 30, below 35, below 40, below 45, below 50, below 55, below 60. Number of policy holders 2, 6, 24, below 20 is 2, below 25, 6. In the sense, this 2 is also covered in this 6. While preparing the frequency, we have to subtract. Okay. Then below 30, 24. Then this 6 members are also in this group. Then below 35, 45. This 24 members are also included in this group. Okay. So this is actually less than form. So now we have to find out the median of this data. What we have to do? We have to find out the class interval and frequency column. When the less than form and frequency is given, that is cumulative frequency actually. So we have to find out the class interval and frequency. What we have to do? We have to write class interval. That's it. Okay. Below 20 is given. No? So where is that page actually? ಹಿಂದೆನಾ 5 ಇದಲ್ಲ 4 3 ಇದು yes. Now so actually age in years, this one only no students, age in years, correct, this one 18 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60. This is the class interval. Frequency, already this is given actually, right? No, this is given. Cumulative frequency column is given. So with the help of this cumulative frequency, we have to write the frequency. See here first same frequency 2. then 6 minus 2 is 4, then 24 minus 6 18, then 45 minus 24 21, 78 minus 45 33, so 89 minus 78 11, 92 minus 89 3, 98 minus 92 6, 100 minus 98 2. How to find out the frequency? Got the idea now? So is here less than frequency is given. So here 18 to 20 group 2 4 18 21 33 11 3 6 2. Very easy. First same to same frequency you have to write. Next just subtraction like this: 6 minus 2, then 24 minus 6, then 45 minus 25, then 48 minus 78 minus 45, then 89 minus 78, then 92 minus 89, then 98 minus 92, then 100 minus 98. Okay, so now n is total frequency column, we got 100, n by 2 is 50. So 50 in the sense in which class interval? 2 6 24 45, this one 74. So this is the median class. 35 to 40 is the median class, correct? No, yes, 35 to 40 is the median class. L is 35, H is 5, CF is 45, F is 33. So just substitute and simplify. That is 35.75. Is that clear, students? So this concept is clear now. Just the problem given is in the different form. Just we have to write that in the Anvit Naik, why? What question why? Anvit? What happened? Why? Why in the sense?
Mataji, why we have to take 18?
Why we
Below
have to take 18?
18 to 20, Mataji, first.
Okay, first class interval. No, see, a life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Okay, calculate the median age if policies are given to person, only to person having age 18 year onwards. This is mentioned in the problem, Anvit. Okay, so 18 year onwards ಇದವರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ we can start the data with 18 to 20. Is that clear?
Okay, Mataji.
ಹಾ, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ 18 ಆನ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೂಸ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೆನಪಿದ್ಯಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇದೇ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 140, ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 145, ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 150, ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 155, ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 160, ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 165. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 140 ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನೀವು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 20 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎನಿ ಹೌ ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಬೀಳದೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್? ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 20 ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ 20 ಆನ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಬಿಲೋ 20 ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So first class interval you can take that as below 20 only. Below 20 one group adu. Next 20 to 25 one group, 25 to 30 one group, 30 to 35 one group, 35 to 40 one group, 40 to 45 one group, next to 45 to 50 one group, 50 to 55 one group, 55 to 60 one group. Is that clear? Okay na? Yes, you can take with the just below 20 only first group, better. ಬಿಲೋ 20 ತಗೋಬಿಡಿ. ಅದನ್ನ 18 to 20 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಡಿಫರ್ ಇದೆ. 18 to 20 ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸೈಜ್ 18 to 20 ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಬೆಟರ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಬಿಲೋ 20 ಓನ್ಲಿ. Below 20 first group. Okay, next 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, like that you can take. Okay, okay students. Yes Anvit?
Number of policy holders and cumulative frequency ಅಂತ ಎಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಮಾತಾಜಿ?
ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳು
ಮಾತಾಜಿ? ಇದು ಕ್ಯುಮ್ಯುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಜಿ, My question ಅಲ್ಲಿ number of policy holders ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಫ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಏಜಸ್ 100 ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್. 100 ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, 100 is the total number of persons. ಅಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ n is equal to 100. ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಇರೋದು 100 ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್ದು ಆಯ್ತಾ, 100 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಇಸ್ 100 ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ ಮಾತಾಜಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ, ಟೋಟಲ್ 100 ಜನದ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 100 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. n is equal to 100. So that's why n/2 is 50. ಆ 50 ಅನ್ನ you have to search in the cumulative frequency column. So 50 you will get in here. 78 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, 35 to 40 class interval ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. So here you will get 50. So that's why we have to take this class interval as median class. Clear?
ಓಕೆ ಮಾತಾಜಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರೋದಾ, 1 second ಅನ್ವಿತ್, ನಿನ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ CF ಯಾಕೆ 45 ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಂತನಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಜಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯುಮ್ಯುಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು.
ಓಕೆ, ನಾವ್ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅನ್ವಿತ್. ಈಗ ನಂಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ನೀನ್ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ನ ಯಾಕೆ CF ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ನೀನ್ ಕೇಳ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡು, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದೇನು ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಡಾಟಾ. ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇರೋ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾಟ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಲೋ 20 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಿಲೋ 25 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. 6 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಲೋ 22 ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಿಲೋ 25 6 ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಬಿಲೋ 20 2 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಆ 6 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಿಲೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದು ಕ್ಯುಮ್ಯುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ. ವೆನೆವರ್ ದ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕ್ಯುಮ್ಯುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯುಮ್ಯುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದೇನು ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. So given is less than form frequency, that is less than type cumulative frequency. Okay na? Okay. So now the question, fourth question now we have to discuss. So this one you have got the idea now? Yes. Fourth question is, the length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeter and the data obtained is represented in the following table. Okay, length and number of leaves is given. Okay, this is the given. Find the median length of the leaves. The data need to be converted to continuous class. Okay, so here you just observe the problem. 118 to 126. Next is 127 to 135. So in the 9th standard we discussed this type of problem, right? 126 is here, 127 is here. Okay, so the class interval is not continuous class interval. So what we have to do for the continuous class interval? See here the fourth question, find the median length of the leaves. And so they have given the hint also in the textbook, only they have given the hint. The data needs to be converted to continuous classes for finding the median. So for finding median, you have to notice one thing, the data is must be continuous class interval. Continuous class interval in the sense what? Actually, whatever here we have the actually upper limit, that must be the lower limit of the second class interval. Okay. So here we have 118 to 126. Next class interval is 127 to 135. So from this we can observe that the given data is not a continuous class interval. So to find the median, we have to convert the data into continuous class interval. So you all know how to find out the continuous class interval, no? So we have to subtract 0.5 from the lower limit and we have to add 0.5 to the upper limit. Okay. So then you will get the continuous class interval as 117.5 to 126.5, then 126.5 to 135.5, then 135 to 144.5. Okay, so this is the conversion of continuous class interval. Got the idea now? So what we have to do for the continuous class interval? For the continuous class interval, we have to subtract 0.5 from the lower limit and we have to add that 0.5 to the upper limit, so that now you can absorb 126.5, 126.5, 135.5, 135.5. So now the class interval is converted as continuous class interval. Is that clear, students? Yes. Now frequency is same, 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2. Then cumulative frequency is 3, 8, 17, 29, 34, 38, 40. Okay, so we have to find out the median of this data. So n is 40, then n by 2 is 20. So then find out the median class. N by 2 is 20 in the sense where you will get 20 here. Okay, 3, 8, 17, up to 17 you will get here. So then here 20 in the sense you can cover this one. This is the median class. 144.5 to 153.5. This is the median class. So next you can work out, no students. Yes, L, H, CF, F. Median is equal to L plus N by L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Then 144.5 plus 20 into minus 17 divided by 12. So this is the simplification part. Got the idea, no? So this is a recall of the continuous class interval. Continuous class interval in the sense, so upper limit of the first class interval must be in the lower limit of the second class interval. Then that type of class intervals are called as continuous class interval. If the given problem is not in the form of continuous class interval, then what you have to do? You have to subtract 0.5 from the lower limit and you have to add 0.5 for the upper limit, so that it will be the conversion of the class interval into continuous class interval. Is that clear, students? Now, so let us move on to the fifth problem. Fifth question is like this. Okay, so this is very simple. You just see this one. The following table gives the distribution of the lifetime of 400 neon lamps. Okay, find the median of the lamp. Direct median we have to find. For the median, you have to find out the cumulative frequency. Is it clear, no, student? So then n by 2 is 200. 200 is here, this one, in this range. 200. So 3000 to 3500 is the median class. Then list out whatever the data needed. Answer is this one, 3406.9 hour. Is that clear? You will work out this problem, no, students, same to same type of problem. Next, sixth problem. 100 surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone dictionary and the frequency distribution of the number of letters in the English alphabets in the surnames was obtained as follows. So here the data is given. Determine mean, median, mode. Last bumper question for you. Okay. So you have to find out all the three measures of central tendency. Is that clear? Okay. So your class interval, frequency. First we are concentrating on median only because this is a median related exercise. Okay. First you work out the median. Median class you have to find out. So median you will get. So median is 8.05. You can calculate. Now this problem is simple. Okay, data. And mean. Here for the mean, we are following the assumed mean method. We are fixing this 11.5, not 8.5 as assumed mean method. Okay. So you have to subtract 8.5 from each observation. Then you will get DI column, then FIDI. So FIDI is here. Answer is minus 18. Okay, then x bar is equal to a plus sigma FIDI divided by sigma FI. So then after substitution 8.32. See here, median is 8.05, mean is 8.32. Okay, next, mode. Modal class you have to find. Okay, 7 to 10. So mode is equal to 7.88. Mean, median, mode. So I think you have got the idea of this problems, the students. So this is the end of the third exercise. I think you don't have any doubts regarding this. If you are having any confusion, you can ask now. Oh, seventh one is there, no? Yeah, one more problem is there. Okay, it's okay. The distribution below gives the weights of 30 students of a class. Find the median weight of the students. Again, this is a median related question. class interval, frequency and cumulative frequency. N is 30, n by 2 is 15. 15 is here in 19, here 55 to 60 range. This is a median class. So then whatever data you have to find, you just find out that one. Here the answer is 56.67. You can work out this problem, no? So no other extra information for this problem. Okay? Yes. This page is repeated, no? 13.2 again. Assignment. 1 second. Assignments we'll discuss tomorrow only, no? Today now I'll send this assignment solution actually. You just go through that one. Last one, OGU. Only 3 problems are there. Can we finish that OGU? Just, I think you have worked out that problems, no? Just to see your answer, whether you have got the OGU curve in that type only. The following distribution gives the daily income of 50 workers of a factory. Your daily income is 100 to 120, 120 to 140, like that they have grouped actually. Number of workers 12, 14, 8, 6 and 10. Okay. Convert the distribution above to a less than type cumulative frequency and draw its OGU. The question is less than type cumulative frequency curve. Less than type OGU we have to convert. You all know how to convert that less than type. Okay. For the less than type, less than 120, less than 140, less than 160, less than 180, okay, less than 200. For less than, so you have to take the upper limit of the class interval. Number of workers is 12, 14, 8, 6, 10. Then you have to find out the cumulative frequency. For less than type, you have to add the frequencies. 12, then 12 plus 14 is 26. 26 plus 8 is 34. 34 plus 6 is 40. 40 plus 10 is 50. Then you have to take, see here. So here you have to take the upper limit. You have to mark that one. Okay. So without fail, you have to mention here what you are choosing for the horizontal line and what you are choosing for the vertical line. Here cumulative frequency. Okay. You have to write that one without fail. So now here, why we are using this kink, you all know the explanation for that one. So we are jumping to 120 directly. That's why. So 0 to 120. Okay. So here we are hiding the remaining scales. 120 to 140, 160, 180, 200. Upper limits we are taking here. Cumulative frequency we are taking 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we have to mark this one with the help of the cumulative frequency. See here, 120 range, 12 year. Okay. So then here next, when we join this one less than curve, we'll get the less than OGU. This is the less than type OGU. Just verify your OGU with this. Okay. I think you have got the same curve, no? Yes, this is the first problem. Second one, during the medical checkup of 35 students of a class, their weights were recorded as follows. Okay. So next, weight is less than 38, less than 40, less than 42. Already problem is in the less than form only. Okay. So what we have to find here, draw a less than type OGU for the given data. Hence obtain the median weight from the graph and verify the result using the formula. Already less than type conversion is given. Everything is ready. Just you have to draw the OGU only. Less than type is given in the sense here number of students is act like a cumulative frequency. Okay. So this is a cumulative frequency column. Now directly here you have to take this less than 38, 40, 42. This horizontal line we have to take this range only. Vertical line. So 10, 20, 30 scales only we are using. Okay. Here again we are using the kink. Okay. Because we have to start with the 38. That's why. 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52. 10, 20, 30, 40. So now, so with the help of this given data, 38, 0. 38, 0 in the sense here only. Okay, 38, 0. Next to 43. So 43 here, small line. 42, 5. 42 is 5. So like that you have to mark this one and you will get smooth curve like this. Then you have to find out the median. So median, how you will get median actually? Your last cumulative frequency is 35 in the sense n is 35, no? Yes, n is 35 in the sense n by 2 is 17.5. In between 10 and 20, 17.5. From that you have to draw one line which is parallel to the horizontal line. When it touches the OGU, no? So you have to move to the horizontal line direction. Then you will get the answer as 46.5. Okay, so I think it is very difficult now by looking this one 46 to 48. Just use the scale, okay, for this 46.5 is the median. Now you have to work out this one with the help of the formula. Okay, verification. Okay, so now verification. For that verification, again we have to do many work. What for formula we need the class interval and frequency column now? Yes, again you have to convert. So better you take the first class interval less than 38, you take that less than 38 only, first one. Next to 38 to 40, 40 to 42, 42 to 44, 44 to 46, 46 to 48, 48 to 50, 50 to 12. So then number of students given is cumulative frequency. With the help of that cumulative frequency, you have to find out the frequency. First one is 0 as it is. Then 3 minus 0 is 3 only. 5 minus 3 is 2. Then 9 minus 5 is 4. 14 minus 9 is 5. 28 minus 14 is 14. 32 minus 20 is 4. 35 minus 32 is 3. Got the idea of the preparation of the less than type into class interval now, students? Yes, this is a very important topic. Okay, so when the less than form and cumulative frequency is given, preparing the class interval and frequency, this is a very important concept. Then n by 2 is 17.5. N by 2 is 17.5. Then median class is this one, 28. Here 46 to 48. Here you will get median class. So then L is 46, CF is 14, F is 14, H is 2. Median is L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. So median is equal to 46.5. Got the idea of this one? Same to same now in the answer sheet also. So if you are having doubt, you can use the graph paper. But why we are not using the graph paper? Because in the examination, they will not provide the graph paper, okay, for the OG. That's why better you practice in the notes only. Okay, last problem of this exercise. The following table gives the production yield per hectares of wheat of 100 farms of a village. This is the following data. Change the distribution to a more than type distribution and draw its ogive. Now it is a more than type question. So now more than or equal to 50 we have to start. More than or equal to 55. Then more than or equal to 60, 65, 70, 75. So total number of forms is 100. Here 100 is given. We have to start the cumulative frequency with 100. So more than type in the sense subtraction of the frequencies. Okay, 100. So more than or equal to 50 in the sense all data we have to take, no? So 100. Then we have to subtract this first data. 100 minus 2, 98. Then 98 minus 8, 90. Okay, like that you will get subtraction of the frequency, cumulative frequency. Okay, last one, ogive. Now just observe this ogive here. So without fail mention here what you are taking for the horizontal line and what you are taking for the vertical line. Here you can write the class interval also. Class interval or more than type conversion. Here cumulative frequency. See here more than type ogive. This is a more than type ogive. Okay, so cumulative frequency. Then here more than class interval. This is a lower limits of the class interval. Here you have to mark lower limit. Here cumulative frequency 0. Okay, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. Here also you have to draw the kink, no? So I think she forgot to draw the kink here. Okay, draw the kink here. Then mark lower limits and cumulative frequency here. Just observe smoothly. You have to join these points to get the more than type cumulative curve. Is that clear, student? This is about the ogive exercise. Now it's time for the discussion. Okay, so if you are having any confusion, you can ask now. Fatafat. Fast, last 2 minutes we'll discuss. Do you want explanation for any other problems? This is the end of the statistics problems. Statistics exercise. See, students, this is a very important topic also. So practice all the problems properly. Is that clear? Okay, so now I'll stop the recording version, only recording version. You can ask your doubts. If you are having any doubts, we'll discuss now.